Changing the blade on your Silhouette Cameo 4 is a simple process that just takes a few minutes and ensures clean, precise cuts for all crafting projects. Follow these easy steps to safely remove your old blade and install a new one. And if you need any assistance along the way, don't hesitate to call our support team on the numbers displayed on the screen. Okay, let's get started now. Turn off your Silhouette Cameo 4. Then unlock 2-1 by pulling the lock lever out and remove the old blade by pulling it straight out of the housing with a gentle but firm grip. Insert your new blade into housing until you hear or feel it click into place securely. Then push the lock lever back to lock it into place. And that's it, you're done.
Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, be sure to hit the like button. For more easy to follow tutorials, don't forget to subscribe our channel. You can also visit manimaker.com for more DIY inspiration and creative crafting ideas. And if you ever need technical support or guidance, just give us a call at the contact number shown on the screen.